Hello friends, in this video we will check out magnetic lines of force, how to draw them, and then we will see the same thing using the iron fillings. So for that I have a bar magnet. As you can see, this is the small bar magnet. I have a magnetic needle. First let's draw the magnetic lines of force. For that I am keeping this near, starting from one point. If I am starting from this point, fine, so I keep my magnetic needle over that, and to the other end I will just mark a pointer, a dot over this. Then it is pointing like this. So here I am marking. So starting from here it is going like this. Fine. Again in this direction, in the lower ones here. Now it is going in this direction. Fine. So this way it is moving. So if I keep it here, it is going outward. Then again to the other end it is going outward. Here also this and this. Fine. So this is how it is moving in this direction. Fine. If I take it here, it is pointing like this. From here it is moving outwards. If I join them again here also, so it is the other end is here and this point. Fine. So it is moving like this. So if I repeat the pattern, it will be like this. Fine. And here it will be moving from north to south. Fine. So this is the basic pattern of magnetic lines of force of a magnet. Let's see the same thing using the iron fillings. So now I'm spreading the iron fillings over it. So after tapping it a bit, as you can see, the same pattern that we have shown using the lines is being repeated. As you can see, most of the iron fillings are stuck at the corners. Here the magnetic lines of force are very concentrated. Fine. So the same pattern you can see. This is the experiment that you can do at home also. It is quite interesting. The same thing which you have seen is here, as you can see. Hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.